Hello children. English poems always make for an interesting read. Today we will be discussing a very fascinating poem, Bird Talk, for class 3 CBSE. We will also have a look at its summary in the later part. Before we move on to the poem, let's know something about the poetess. Eileen Fisher was born in 1906 and died in 2002 at the age of 96. She was an American award-winning author of more than 100 children books, including poetry, plays, short stories, and picture books. So this is the brief introduction of the poet. Now let's move on to the poem. Children, do you know birds find people funny too? Let's listen to Birds Talk by two birds, Robin and Jay. Here are the two pictures on your screen. First picture is of Jay. Jay is known for being a very noisy bird. Jay can even mimic hawk. The second picture is of Robin. Robin is brown and gray with a red tummy. Both the birds are songbirds found in forest.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, think, think.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, think, think.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, think, think.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Aren't people funny? Oh yes, they are.
They're funny. They're funny.
There are various poems for kids which are based on plants, birds, animals, people, and their conversations. The poem Bird Talk arouses interest among the children to learn more and gain knowledge. There are lots of ways in which birds communicate with each other. They either sing, dance, cuddle, or fight with each other. This poem, Bird Talk, is basically a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden wherein they are discussing how they differ from human beings. So let's see the poem. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now let's understand the poem. Both the birds, Jay and Robin, boast of the fact that they have feathers which humans do not possess. Besides, they also mention that they have wings and like to sit on wires and things which humans are incapable of doing. Having said that, they feel that They enjoy more freedom than human beings, as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want to. Summary of the poem: Birdstock, written by Eileen Fisher. It is a short poem in which two birds, Robin and Jay, are talking to each other and commenting on the way humans are different from birds. They find it funny that people do not grow feathers or wings. They do not like sitting on branches and lines, and they do not like eating beetles. Now let's see the hard words. Beetles. Beetles are insects. There is a picture of beetle on your screen. Second hard word is sitting. Wires. Funny. Feathers. Wings. Questions are given behind the chapter. Let's see the answers of those questions. Question number 1. Name the two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. What are the three things that people can't do? Answer: the people can't grow wings, eat beetles, or sit on wires and other things. Question 3. What do birds think of people? Birds think people are so funny.